Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is July 2nd, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis, to where we're here to give you all our price predictions according to the charts. And definitely we are giving you one of the less confusing, matter of fact, not confusing at all, analysis out there in the YouTube space. We are here as our objective to eliminate that confusion that so many people have on their charts. I mean, they spend countless minutes on one cryptocurrency, while we are able to do a multiplicity of currencies in a rather short amount of time, and able to precisely tell you exactly where these cryptocurrencies are likely to move throughout the next couple of trading days. And I'm about to give you all an example of that right now. You can see here on the right side of the screen, this is where our members of our particular community gets this information that is not privy to no one else. And we did an analysis yesterday for EOS paired against BTC, right? And we uploaded this video yesterday at 5:10 p.m. And I want you all to listen to what was stated in our analysis yesterday versus what occurred in the market today. Okay. So one of the things I want you all to realize is that we are actually giving you our predictions of where we expect the market to go. So many other people give you wishy-washy analysis. Well, it could, or it possibly can go up, it could go down, and that does not benefit you one bit. We are literally giving you a directional move on what we see the chart telling us it wants to go. So I want you all to have a listen to see what I said yesterday in our video versus what occurred in the market today for EOS.
Take a look at EOS. EOS currently is up 0.24%. Last trade was 127,210 Satoshis, and EOS has been trading within a consolidation range for the past 7 days. 120,000 Satoshis was holding support for the majority of those days. And you can see here as well that around 135,000 Satoshis is acting as resistance during that time period. And moving into a smaller time frame, you can definitely see here that we are literally in a consolidation period in EOS. Definitely that resistance area is coming in around 130,000. Support is at 120. Now you can tell as I zoom in on the 3-hour chart that strength is more apparent than it is with weakness. So I'm still looking for EOS to continue to move higher in price, albeit 130,000 is resistance. If we could break 130,000, then definitely 135,000 is going to be in the cards for EOS.
There you go. I've told you that if we can break that 130,000 Satoshi area, then definitely EOS will come all the way up to around 135,000. And where are we currently trading? 136,200 Satoshi. So that's almost very accurate on what we expected the market to do for EOS. Now, I want to give you an analysis before I go on Bitcoin paired against the USD. And you can see here that this coin as well is having a pretty good day in the market. They're up 4.01%. And the last trade was at $6,624.30. And the daily price chart literally tells you that nothing has exactly changed in the cryptocurrency space for this coin. We are still within a consolidation of where $6,000 in around that price is support and 6,800 is resistance. You all can remember back here during the ending half of June that Bitcoin was having a very hard problem breaking $6,800, and then we made a huge drop in the market. And ever since then we've been consolidating, and now we're actually coming back up towards that $6,800 area. And that is what you need to be paying attention to over the next couple of trading days to see if Bitcoin is going to have enough momentum to break $6,800. Stockpile is definitely coming in the market right now on this 3-hour chart. So we are definitely seeing some changes in the tone and the expression of Bitcoin at this particular time. The market definitely has to continue to buy up all of the selling that is currently coming in the market. And you can also see here on the 1-hour chart that weakness is still coming in the market. And this is a definite eye opener that you need to pay attention to in this particular market for Bitcoin. That weakness is still here around 6,600 and 6,680 in price. And if this next 1-hour bar closes below, then again we're going to move back down to the downside. And if that price area of $6,600 does not hold, then definitely Bitcoin is going to come all the way back down. Try to zoom out to see if we can get a better depiction towards $6,500 or even $6,400 once again to find support. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit better, see if we can find another area that Bitcoin can find a place to hold. And I'm looking around 65.30 and around that price. Bitcoin could try to find a hold support. 64.50 and around that price as well. This coin for Bitcoin is going to try to find support, but definitely there's still some indications of market strength in this particular space, and you definitely want to be cautious because I've shown you on smaller time frames that we are seeing some weakness coming into this particular market. So if we break $6,600, expect Bitcoin to continue to move to the downside. If we hold 6,600, then we will continue to move back up towards 6,680 or even $6,700 throughout trading tomorrow. But currently I could definitely see changes on the horizon for Bitcoin, and the only hook that is allowing this coin to maintain its consolidation and its slight probability of moving higher is that $6,600 price level. If it breaks that, then change in tone definitely has succeeded, and you will expect this market for Bitcoin to move back down to the downside. So again, if you guys are interested in learning more about this language analysis, or even getting a better analysis than any other chartist or YouTuber is out there getting you all, then you definitely need to become a member of ours on our HueFin News Patreon page. It's so simple, so easy to get this type of analysis that you need to ask yourself the question, why is everyone else doing it the difficult way? Because the only thing that you're really worried about is where price is likely to go. And that's what we've been doing ever since 2017, showing you all what to expect before the market actually occurs. That's powerful. So we look forward to you all becoming our member on our HueFin News Patreon page. And if not, hey, just make sure you maintain your profitability. We're definitely ensuring that our profitability is being maintained, and as well making profit the easy way. So I'll talk to you all later. You guys have a wonderful day.